Welcome to this tutorial on Helm Rollback. In this video, we'll explore how to revert Helm releases to previous versions. This is an essential skill for managing Kubernetes applications, especially when dealing with failed deployments or problematic updates. Let's dive in and learn how Helm's rollback functionality can help you maintain stable and reliable deployments. Helm Rollback is a mechanism that allows you to revert a Helm release to a previous revision when issues occur. Think of it as an undo button for your Kubernetes deployments. Helm maintains a complete history of all releases, which means you can safely roll back to any previous working state. This is incredibly valuable when a new deployment introduces bugs, performance issues, or configuration errors that affect your application's functionality. Before performing a rollback, it's important to check the release history to see all available revisions. You can do this using the Helm history command followed by your release name. This command lists all revisions along with their status, description, and timestamps. Understanding your release history helps you identify which revision you want to roll back to, ensuring you restore your application to the correct working state. The basic rollback command is straightforward. Simply type Helm rollback followed by your release name. By default, this command rolls back to the immediately previous revision. This is the quickest way to undo a recent deployment that caused problems. Helm will automatically handle the transition back to the previous state, making the rollback process smooth and efficient. Sometimes you need to roll back to a specific revision rather than just the previous one. To do this, use Helm rollback followed by your release name and the revision number you want to restore. For example, Helm rollback my-app3 will roll back the release named my-app to revision number 3. This gives you precise control over which version of your application gets deployed. Helm provides several useful options to customize your rollback behavior. The --wait flag ensures Helm waits for all resources to be ready before marking the release as successful. The --timeout option sets how long to wait for Kubernetes operations, with a default of 5 minutes. The --cleanup on -fail flag deletes any new resources created during the rollback if it fails. And the -force flag forces resource updates through delete and recreate when necessary. These options give you fine-grained control over the rollback process. Let's walk through a complete rollback workflow. First, check the release history using Helm History Engine X-App. This shows you all available revisions. Next, perform the rollback to revision 2 using Helm Rollback Engine X-App2 with the --wait flag. This ensures the rollback completes successfully before returning. Finally, verify the rollback worked by checking the release status with Helm Status Engine X-App. This workflow demonstrates the complete process, from investigation to verification. Let's recap the key points about Helm rollback. First, remember that each rollback creates a new revision in your history, so rolling back doesn't delete previous revisions. Second, every rollback is reversible, meaning you can roll forward again if needed. Third, always test your rollback procedures in non-production environments first to ensure they work as expected. And finally, use the --wait flag to ensure your rollback completes successfully before considering it done. These best practices will help you manage rollbacks confidently and safely.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.